Okay, there's two types of reasoning that come into play. We have deductive reasoning versus inductive reasoning. Okay, when you're looking at the deductive reasoning, some of the kind of hallmarks of it, it's very structured. Right? It requires a chain of logical arguments. Okay, that allow you to draw conclusions, so they lead to specific conclusions. And so as you go through this, the deductive reasoning stuff that we'll be doing in this class will be the formal proofs. Okay, so formal proofs, there's a couple different ways proofs can be arranged. The one that we'll be doing is a two-column proof, and I'll show you or talk about that. But there's also paragraph proofs. You can set up a proof in the form of a flow chart as well, but we will be mainly dealing with the two-column proofs. Okay, as far as the inductive reasoning, and when you're dealing with something that it does not require this kind of logical progression of arguments, then you're looking at inductive reasoning. And this is often in the form of experience or observation. Often it has to do with just recognizing patterns and making a prediction based on that. Okay, so when you do inductive reasoning, the second part of what we'll talk about here will be the inductive reasoning. The first part of what we'll talk about will be the deductive reasoning. Again, as far as the inductive reasoning goes, it might also be referred to as informal proof, which again is just making predictions based on what you've seen or experienced. And so informal proof for us would be something similar to the sketchpad. And so we can go in, we can observe the behavior of different things, and just through experience make predictions based on relationships. And I'll always couple, again, for the remainder of the geometry portion that we'll talk about, I will almost always couple an observation or a statement that I write with a formal proof of why it works based on the progression of facts that we've established already in the class.